Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Betterme Fitness and Wellness app. Honest review. Betterme is a subscription-based fitness and wellness app offering workout plans like Pilates, bodyweight, and strength training, along with nutrition tracking, meal plans, and mindfulness exercises. When you start, the app asks a few questions about your goals, equipment, and diet, then generates a personalized plan. Its pros include being beginner-friendly, easy to use, and offering a large library of workouts suitable for home or low equipment settings. User reviews generally confirm it's legitimate, delivering honest promises rather than being a scam. However, there are a few cons. Subscription costs can be confusing, trials may auto renew without clear notice, and premium features or one on one coaching can add extra fees. The app may collect personal or financial data and share it with third parties depending on your region. Overall, BetterMe is a legit and functional wellness tool, especially for beginners, but you should exercise caution regarding subscription and in app purchases. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.